Hello and welcome to IzzyBee Crafts. Today I will be doing a homemade slime versus a Dollar Tree slime kit. Let's start with the homemade slime. You will need Elmer's glue, contact solution or another activator like borax or Tide laundry detergent, baking soda, a container to make your slime in, something to mix your slime, some colorant, and optionally you can also have glitter. Start by pouring whatever amount of glue you want into your mixing bowl, then adding any amount of color you want into your glue, stirring that up until it's fully mixed. And then of course you can add the glitter if you want to add glitter to it, and add your baking soda at this point as well. Then mix it together until it's fully combined. Then, once you have mixed it, then add your contact solution or other activator. If you are using your another activator such as borax or Tide laundry detergent, you don't have to add in the baking soda. So then once it starts to form where it gets too hard to mix with your stirring stick, then start to knead it with your hands. And then you have your slime. Now it's time for the Dollar Tree slime kit. So this is a slime kit I got. It was $1.25 Canadian, and it comes with glue, activator, and glitter, and it came in different colors. I got the pink one, and I followed the instructions on the back. I read them, and I also read the notes that it had on it as well. Don't forget to comment down below which slime you think looks better. So now you just want to add your glue to your mixing bowl and add your glitter. It didn't say when to add the glitter, so I added it here. And then once I added the glitter and fully mixed it up, then I just started to slowly add in the activator. It took a while for me to get the slime where I could actually pick it up and knead it. And even then I found that the slime was still a bit sticky afterwards. After it was fully activated, I got it to the point where I could knead it, but it was still sticking to my hands, but I couldn't really activate it anymore. Otherwise, it would be over-activated and you wouldn't be able to really stretch it and play with it. So this is the finished slime. So I also wanted to see if the activator from the kit would work with other glue. So I'm just using a store-bought glue from, I think, the Dollarama. And I'm just putting that in, and I slowly added in the activator. So it did work. You can use it if you want, but that's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below which slime is your favorite, the Dollar Tree slime or the homemade slime. Please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.